Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. And this video is most requested and it is on how I oil my hair, how I oil my curly hair. So I don't know, but I have been getting requests on how I oil my hair. So I thought maybe I'll show you guys. I was like, that's a great idea and I should definitely do it. And this video would be much better when I include the product from my own brand. If you do not know, I own a brand called Curl Storie. It is a hair care brand and I launched my first hair care product called NUNE. It is a conditioning and nourishing hair oil blend, cold pressed oil blend of 10 different oils and herbs, and it is the most non-greasiest and most mildly fragrant oil that you'll ever find in Indian market, and I can bet you on that. Okay, and I thought, okay, why not show how I use my own oil NUNE on my hair, because the minute I made it or the minute I formulated it and I got it on my hands, I didn't actually invest on any other hair oils, and I've been using it only other than the oils that any of the brands sent me to review and stuff. But other than that, this is my oil, and I'm so sorry there's no label because I took a raw piece. I mean, just the piece that I use at my house, but then I'll put clips here on how the actual product looks like. But this is my product. This is the oil. So this one is a 200 ml bottle. So usually this is a second batch. I launched my oil in December, I guess, and after that I made a very small batch of it, and after that this is our second batch, and coronavirus hit me so hard, and yeah, it's been really difficult to procure the raw materials and get it formulated again. But thank God, I'm so thankful to God, and I'm so grateful to all the people who have actually used the product from our first batch, and they gave us a lot of shout outs. I'm so grateful to everyone. I'm so grateful to everyone that supported me on this, and I'm so grateful to God for giving me such an amazing product. I didn't actually, really expect such love on this, but yeah, I'm so grateful to God. So yeah, this is a bottle. So initially it used to be 100 ml, but 100 ml I got feedback asking for better than 100 ml and something like travel sizes. So we launched two sizes. One is this 200 ml one, the other one is a 50 ml bottle. So 50 ml is a travel size bottle for you to try and see, and 200 ml is for people with long curly hair or long rough frizzy whatever hair types you have, because 50 ml gets over easily. So that's the reason. So yes, I'm going to demo and show you guys how I use NUNE, and it is very much different from other hair oils, and we do not use hot boiling method, and we use cold pressed oils, and we formulated it so that it can be used to oil your hair and detangle it, and also for scalp massages, and also to SOTC. SOTC in the curly hair or the curly girl method language is crunch out the cast, because after applying stylers there is a cast that forms, and you can scrunch out your cast beautifully with NUNE. And also you can add this in any of your DIY deep conditioners or any of your deep conditioners that you have. You can add few drops of it. It won't leave your hair greasy at all, trust me. And I have NUNE on my hair right now, but still my hair feels voluminous and fluffy. So that's the magic. So that's with it. I know you might feel like I'm talking too much about my own product, but let's be honest, I talk about a lot of products on my channel. I tell the good, bad and everything about products, and why not, when I have gone through so many products, I think making a product definitely makes a difference. And because I've tried so many products and I have seen many methods, I think I have that small area where I can definitely talk about the product I make. So yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm talking about the product, and we are live. We are available on our website. Our website www.mycurlstorie.com. The link will be in the description, and also there will be a special coupon for you if you'd like to buy. Do not forget to check out the description box. You can buy the 50 ml or the 200 ml. That's with it. So now let's move on with how I apply oil on my hair and detangle my hair.
Hey guys, so this is my washed hair. So I didn't style my hair here, if you can see. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. So this is how my hair looks. So now I'm going to show you guys how I apply oil. So this routine is, you can follow this routine with any oil, not that you require only certain oil. But then this is how I oil my hair. I always start off with scalp massages because they stimulate the blood, and also they help you with activating the entire nervous system around the scalp area, and also it'll help you a lot with blood circulation. So that's the reason I do that. And scalp massages are really good, they're so soothing, and also when you use the right oils, they help you a lot in calming and relaxing and kind of removing all the stress from the day or from the work, whatever it is. So try scalp massages for sure, it'll help you a lot with hair growth as well. And I always section my hair in the middle while applying my oils. So here I am going to apply oil on one section first and then move on to the other one. That way my hair is less messy, and also I have control on the parts I'm applying oil, and I don't miss any spots. And I usually use this flexi brush to detangle my hair. The link will be in the description box, check it out. It is kind of an expensive brush, but then it's like a one-time investment because you can use it for years and years and years. So yeah, and if you do not have it, it's okay, you can use a wide tooth comb. The reason I use it is because it saves a lot of time and it removes so many tangles without breaking more of my hair. Because with curly hair, when you detangle, there's a lot of hair loss with breakage. It's not from the roots, it's from the breakage, because curly hair is mostly dry. But using a brush like this will be really helpful. So try to find a wide tooth comb or try to get a brush like this, it'll help you a lot. My detangling is pretty much simple, there's no tug and pull. It's pretty simple, and I followed the same routine on the other side as well. I just applied oil and then detangle with the flexi brush. Okay, and this is how my hair looks, all smooth and nice. And I just wanted to show you guys how much hair I lost, because you would be curious to know how much hair I lost from all this detangling. So that is how much hair I lost. And I detangled my hair on third or fourth day after washing my hair. So that's a really nice time gap, I guess. And I always braid my hair into 2 braids because I love them. And yeah, this is with the detangling.
Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to please subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to check out the description box. You can just check out our website and see what you like and what not. But this is our first product. I'm coming up with other products definitely really soon, and I'm working on them. But for now, we have this amazing product. So at least get the 50 ml one and see if you like it, and your support would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for supporting me with your likes, subscriptions, comments, whatever it is. Thank you so much, and I shall see you in my next video.